Hey there, this is your Avon Lady, Chris Arnold, and I have your product picks and preview for campaign 26 of 2019. And this one's actually going to be pretty quick compared to the last couple of campaigns because most of our holiday products have already been introduced in 24 and 25 so that you could get your holiday shopping done early, see what all we were going to have so you could make your choices while we have the best selection. But I did want to show you a few new things. I don't have actually any demos of these items, but did want to show you what is new in campaign 26 so you know where to look. So we have 3 new jewelry collections. We have this beautiful with the clear glass stones in the hematite setting. And I think personally this statement necklace would look great with your solid color, higher neckline cocktail dress for a holiday party or a special night out. Let's see, what are we calling this? This is the Celestial Bracelet Star Statement Necklace or Lariat Necklace. And just love kind of this one. The kind of like, it looks like, you know, stars in the night sky type of idea with that setting. And again, another necklace that would look great for a special night out or a party. And we have a set in rose gold. So we kind of have your choice of metals. We've got the hematite, the silver tone, and the rose gold tone. And this is, I love the bracelet and watch. I think would make a beautiful pair. And really, how often do you see rose gold in a watch? So I think this would be a very unique addition to your watch wardrobe there for when you want something just a little bit different. And I love that it's got kind of the stones in between the links and around the bezel on there. So a little bit of added shine and shimmer for you there. Let's see, what else did we have new? We do have some new gift items and PJs and stuff for kids. So we have our little pink collection with, is he a mouse? No, it's a bunny. Little bunny pops out of the cupcake there. And these projection watches are really cool. They're kind of like the newfangled version of shadow puppets on the wall. So they have different pictures that they'll project on the wall. And these are all sweet treats. You've even got this adorable hat and mitten set with the little cupcakes and ice cream on them to go together. And then we also have, for the polar bear lover on your list, we've got the polar bear PJs and the polar bear projection watch. That's very cute. And the polar plush bear, and he is just so cuddly and soft. And then you can get the slippers and the nightlight that actually, like, you know, shines lights on the ceiling. What do we call this? We call it a disco light. And it actually shines the light on the ceiling. So you get a nice little effect from that. And let's see, that was everything that is actually brand new, just being released in this brochure. Of course, we still have lots of fabulous holiday beauty gifts, stocking stuffers, of course. If you love the Skin So Soft Winter Soft, this is the only time of year we have it available in the sets. We have the regular Winter Soft and the Lavender Winter Soft, so be sure to stock up on those if you use them. Great gift set here. It's a skincare blockbuster, and it has, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 products, including the case. So 1 trial size of the Hydrofusion Gel Cream, and then a full-size Hydrofusion Depuffing Eye Cream, the Power Serum, and the Vitamin C Serum. And this is a great deal at, you know, $49 for the set. So if you use a couple of those products already. Oh, and there is a Matitude lip color. Almost forgot that. See, there's so much in it. You can't, it's easy to miss stuff. Lots and lots of holiday jewelry still. So lots to choose from. Don't forget about your friends from Frozen. Olaf is my favorite always. Yeah, I mean, the princesses are nice, but Olaf is just adorable. Some vintage in there. And of course, we do have an A box this campaign. This is the Rev Up Your Routine A box, and it is 4 trial size skincare products. I don't think we've ever had an A box with 4, you know, deluxe sample size skincare products. So we have your vitamin C brightening serum, your Anew Power Serum, your new neutralized anti-pollution serum, and the hydrofusion gel cream, all in really good size samples. You know, you can get a couple of 2-3 weeks out of use out of those, if not more. And it's a $40 value for only $10 with any $40 purchase from Campaign 26. So great, great deal there. And if you're shopping on the online store, there is also a glam tidings flyer, and I like to point these out every so often. We'll have maybe some special deals on jewelry and things, but what we usually have in here that's such a great deal is we have a lot of sets. So you can get the eyeshadow and the eyeshadow brush together, the set for $6. We have this is a great deal and a great stocking stuffer if you have beauty lovers, makeup lovers on your stocking list. We have 3 different sets to choose from, but it's a True Color eyeshadow quad, the Always On Point eyeliner pencil, and a nourishing mascara. So great combination, or if your makeup bag just needs a little refresh. We also have a glimmer stick eyeliner paired with a lip gloss as well. And of course the lip glow is kind of the full color lip gloss, and it's not sticky like your typical lip gloss. And we also have some great sets, multi-piece sets in our Bath and Body. So you've got Skin So Soft, Senses, and Footworks. And I mean, these make great, fantastic gifts. These make, especially for if you're getting gifts for like teachers, your mailman, the teacher's mailman, hairdresser, you know, all of those different service providers that you want to get a little gift for, or even just to have an extra gift under the tree for that unexpected guest. 3-piece set of the Senses with the shower gel, the body lotion, and the body spray. 3 great scents. Cucumber and melon is great if you are, you know, like mentioned, mail carrier. If you have a mail carrier, the cucumber melon is great for them. I also really like it myself. Then we have the vanilla and the cherry blossom. So 3-piece set, you get those together, just put them in a gift bag, and they're ready to go. So perfect last minute gift. Moisture therapy, Avon Advanced Techniques. And then we have some 2-piece sets with some of our fragrances. We actually have, you can get 2 Imari fragrances, or the Far Away with the roll-on deodorant. You get a Black Suede and a Wild Country, or the classic scents with the matching deodorant. I don't know that I give deodorant necessarily as a Christmas gift unless you know they really, really like it. And then some little skincare bundles with our sheet masks and our mini travel sizes. And then a few with the sheet mask and the full sizes. So great little thing to check out. If you're not shopping the online store, just shoot me a message and I will, you know, get you a link to this so you can see just this brochure and see what the special deals are in there, so that you're able to put in an order for that. But that's all I got for you this time. So I hope you're all having a wonderful, wonderful day. Remember, if you know it's getting busy and hectic with Thanksgiving and Christmas and all the other holidays coming up, if you find that you're a little too busy to shop, shoot me a message. Let me know what you're looking for, and I'll find it for you and get you a link direct to that product so that you can save some time on your holiday shopping, or even if you just need to shop for something for yourself, want to make a change in your skincare, your makeup, your Bath and Body, whatever it is, just let me know. Hope you're all having a great day, and I'll talk to you soon.